get for not calling your hits?
Gun hit? Gun hit? Are you serious? Alright, gun hit, bro. I guess. Dead man coming out.
You're 20 feet. Hit!
Good shot.
Hit!
Good shot.
Oh.
Hit!
That man walking.
Watch out, head down, head down, head down, head down, head down. Hit, hit, hit!
Got truck coming up on left.
We got technical on the left. Where's our vehicle?
Our vehicle is down. Raven, the vehicle's still down?
Yeah.
You got a technical on the left. Can we get the AT out of it?
Yeah.
Corey!
Got it.
Here on it.
Oh, yeah.
Handle right here. Yeah, hey. Come on. Shit. Don't slam the door. Take care of my baby. Oh, motherfucker. Go ahead and tuck your dead dragon.
Good.
Alright, we're moving.
Roger.
Am I clear on the right? Yeah,
Clear.
So what are we trying to do?
We're gonna take out that technical.
Which way we headed? We're going left because there's a technical over there. Roger.
Really? Can I leave some stuff with you here?
Oh, you got eyes on that technical?
Push it, go, go, go.
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 Go, go. There you go. Go, go, go.
Corey, you got suppression on the tech? You got suppression on the tech?
Which way?
The tech! Push the building.
Hey! Hello!
Watch the right, watch the right! All the way down, see him?
Get in, gentlemen, get in. That's the button.
Call that.
Watch this flank on
He's
him.
hit, he's
Okay? Stay low. Gentlemen, and when he gets ready to go, I want cover and fire for him, all right?
Where's he going?
Peek out. He's going straight across. Ready?
Set, go.
Go. Cover fire. Go for it. Go for it. Good job. Good job. Let's move this.
Check, come on, dude. Check. Check, dude. Goggles. I hit you, bro. Right in the chest. How you doing over here, man?
Hey, hold it, hold it.
I got you. I just want to know where you're at. Great.
Good one.
One outside, very outside. Far left, outside. Vince, I need help at the place where you died at last. Over here in the far left, down the creek bed. I need assistance right now. Hey, are you hitting that left side? Cover, go, go, go.
He ran up here?
I already shot you in the back, dude. You don't feel it?
No, I didn't feel it.
Sorry, I already shot you in the back.
What the hell? That's gay.
Hey, move up, move up, move up! Move up! Watch that right side building!
Boom.
Yeah, same thing. Right here, right here. Right here, right here. I don't know if he can peek there. I'm not seeing any.
Stay on point, stay on point.
He's moving back. Hey, I'm rushing that other building right in front of us, alright?
Call it, pull it, pull it.
You hit?
Yeah.
Other building set! Push up! Push up! Is that you, cameraman? Right here. Right there. Building in the middle, Vince. Green building in the middle. Center of the little houses. Center of the little houses. I'm around there. We're next to Vince. On the left side of Vince. There's not a green in there, man. Hey! Somebody rush up to this building! I need help! Rush up! Rush! The left building! Come on! Go to that left one! Did you take that left one already? Shit. You didn't hit me, dude.
This isn't an SMG.
No, it's
It is not under 19 inches.
what?
It is not under 19 inches.
This is not zero? Okay, my bad. I didn't know. My bad.
I'll let you know.
Oh, it's 20 feet. Fuck that. That's 20 feet. Changing mag.
From that building. Get in the building. Somebody went there and killed everybody.
Get the fuck out of there. Check that.
Hey, can we spawn right now?
Yes, yes.
I spawned over there.
Yeah, walk out quick. Sorry.
I just spawned over there.
See? I see you. Huh? Yeah, stay down. Stay down. Heard. Watch the right, watch the left. I don't want them creeping up on me. Are y'all in? Good hit.
Yeah, he's fucking having heat exhaustion.
Oh, hey, alright.
Hey, somebody go get water.
Go get water.
Somebody go get water.
Got some water right here.
Hey, stay there.
Watch out.
Get him in the shade.
He's in the shade.
I did.
Oh, yeah, I mean, you know what I mean.
Here,
Like, good shade.
here. Pull his goggles up. Pull his goggles up.
Take it.
Shit.
Think we
When
should take
you
his boots off?
Boots
Move,
off.
move.
Boots off. Hi, Dave.
Dave, you're gonna be okay.
Dave.
Hey, we got the trunk over here. Want to get over here?
Hi, Dave.
Moving back.
Yeah, get up.
Let me see your other shoe. Let me see your other shoe.
We need admin.
We need admin now.
No.
No, you're not.
No, Dave.
We need admin.
We need admin out now.
Get his belt off.
Fine.
You got a belt on?
Yeah.
It's alright. No. Just needs to rest.
Hey guys, I grabbed some coconut water for him. Here.
You okay, Dave?
I've got an admin radio, but it's on the other side of all you people.
Move out of his way.
Take his goggles off his nose so you can get direct air.
No, you can't take goggles off. When the plank's
This is Pope. This is Pope. I need an evac for a heat casualty at the Russian FOB. Roger that. We gotta truck him down to get him out.
Drink some water.
Oh, okay.
Only
Just down there.
Hey, we'll take care of it.
Coconut water.
Here, drink this.
Let me out. Let me out.
Yeah.
Truck's inbound to get him out.
Heard.
I was hit in the face. I went back like this and guess what?
Same thing.
Thank you.
All right.
Colin, come here.
Where's that? Is that truck?
Here's a Cliff Bar if he needs that too.
No, we don't want to give him food right now. Thank you, though.
Colin, he's over here.
Need the medical to take you back. That's what you're looking for.
Get up there with Jimmy. Hold that line. Hey. I don't know, but they got enough coverage.
You got him?
I'm good.
Okay, cool.
Go kill Jackie. Can't make an advance. If he loses something,
Hey, where'd my chest rig? Thank you.
if I lose the FOB, there's no big.
Thank you.